How to call GEKKO correctly from Matlab. I found a function for calling Python from Matlab. So, I tried to use this function for calling GEKKO package from Matlab for solving ODE. I have gotten an error for defining a GEKKO option, remote equals true, as function or variable. I opened Matlab with Anaconda prompt. Error message undefined function or variable remote. Error node underscore GEKKO underscore Matlab, line 5, m equals pi.gekko.gekko remote equals true, %solve on local machine.
Check this link for how to use PRGs in Matlab. Try using m equals pi.gekko.gekko PRGs remote true.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.